all the guests received the links?
Has all the guests received the link for the voting?
Yeah.
Yes. Thank you. Okay. Moving ahead with the tag report. TT evaluation has already been done by Toastmaster Aarti during the TT session. So moving ahead with the tag report, Toastmaster Shankar, please present the timers report.
So starting with presidential address, it took 4 minutes 7 seconds, and for the first time, I believe the guest introduction has taken till 5 minutes and 75 milliseconds. So the prepared speech, the prepared talk took Toastmaster Srini took 8 minutes 41 seconds, and coming to the storytelling contest, first speaker Toastmaster Neeraj took 3 minutes 6 seconds. Toastmaster Sai took 2 minutes 38 seconds. Toastmaster Anand took 3 minutes 14 seconds. Toastmaster Sharath took 2 minutes 49 seconds. Toastmaster Sharath 2 took 3 minutes 1 second. Toastmaster Gopinath took 2 minutes 50 seconds. Toastmaster Shruti took 3 minutes 11 seconds. Toastmaster Aarti took 3 minutes 27 seconds. Toastmaster Srini again took 3 minutes 27 seconds. And Toastmaster Satish took 3 minutes 24 seconds. And in the table topic session, Toastmaster Sai took 1 minute 33 seconds. Coherently, Toastmaster Aarti's evaluation took 26 seconds. Toastmaster Richa took 1 minute 47 seconds, and the evaluation went for 26 seconds again. Toastmaster Anil took 1 minute 21 seconds, and the evaluation took 17 seconds. Toastmaster Harisudan took 1 minute 34 seconds, and the evaluation took 28 seconds. And Toastmaster Rupa took 2 minutes 12 seconds, and the evaluation went till 25 seconds. And management book review by Toastmaster Mukhi went for 7 minutes 1 second. And finally, the evaluation of Toastmaster Anirudh took 2 minutes 51 seconds. On Toastmaster of the day, or the MC, the first interval, it took 10 minutes 55 milliseconds, followed by 1 minute 5 seconds, 1 minute 58 seconds, 18 seconds, 9 seconds, 15 seconds, 17 seconds, 10 seconds, 11 seconds, 19 seconds, 11 seconds, 22 seconds, and finally it ended up with 2 minutes 40 seconds. Over to Toastmaster.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Shankar. That was detailed timers report. And this is what you see first time in Meraki. Thank you so much. For the R counter, Toastmaster Anirudh, your report please.
Yeah. Toastmaster Mukhi as Sergeant at Arms, he used R's more than 5 times. Presiding Officer Toastmaster DTM Vijay did not have any R's or filler words. MC Shruti did not have any R's or filler words. When the tag team was presenting their initial report, Toastmaster Shankar did not have any R's or filler words. I did not count whether I had any. Hillary and Sundararaman had 1 R and used the word stuff as a filler word. Then when the management book review, Toastmaster Mukhi had a few R's and Ups, and the filler words that were used frequently were and, you know, and so. Speaker Srini did not have any R's or filler words. I am glad to announce that all contestants and TT speakers did not have R's and Ums, but now I will read into some filler words that were used. So Toastmaster Neeraj, contestant number 1, he used then twice and basically as a filler word. Toastmaster Sai Sridhar, no filler words. Toastmaster Anand used like twice. Toastmaster Sharath from Infosys, no filler words. Toastmaster Sharath from DXC used and as a filler word thrice and so twice. Toastmaster Gopinath used basically twice as a filler and again twice. Toastmaster Shruti also used again twice and all that as a filler. Some speakers I noticed instead of using filler words, repeated sentences. You were halfway into the sentences, you started all over again. This is something I noticed in Toastmaster Shruti. Toastmaster Aarti did not have any filler words. Toastmaster Srini did not have any filler words. DTM Satish had kind of and as filler words. coming to table topics, table topic speaker 1, Sai did not have any filler words. Toastmaster Richa used the word basically as a filler once. Again, some words were repeated halfway into the sentence started all over again. DTM Anil Nair did not have any filler words. Toastmaster Hari Sudan, you repeated the words a couple of times, but you had no filler words. Toastmaster Rupa, you did not have any filler words. Toastmaster Shankar at the time used the R once.
Toastmaster Anuj for a detailed counter report again. Moving ahead, grammarian distinguished Toastmaster Sundaraman, your grammarian report.
Good morning, friends. Today I am presenting my grammarian report regarding the theme usage. None of us use the theme in our speeches or our talks. Regarding the word of the day, embellishment, it was embellish or embellishment was used by Toastmaster Sai Sridhar, Toastmaster Aarti, Sudeep and Anirudh. So let me comment on the pronunciation aspect of some of the words. So actually the word environment shall be used as environment. Even I am not sure whether I am pronouncing it properly. Probably you can Google and then find out environment. So there is a subtle difference between pronunciation and the enunciation. So table topic master, when she mentioned the table topic, I am not fragile like a flower, I am fragile like a bomb. So it was not enunciated properly. Even sitting here I could not hear it properly. So it is, as a speaker, as a presenter, you have to ensure that everyone is listening properly what you are conveying. And regarding again good pronunciation, one of them in today's session would be mathematics. We in short form, many of us call it as maths, but Toastmaster Rupa mentioned it as math, which is a correct usage. Give her a big applause. Regarding good usages, as usual, Toastmaster Mugi did a fantastic job. He used a lot of good usages. Do action for a reason, and a triad: get out, get in, get through. And again, I will also be mentioning about some good usages which may not be real good usages, but many people misuse. That is, as mentioned in the tips, one of the followed by a singular, but today many of them used appropriately. So again, Toastmaster Mugi, one of the ways. And dwelled, meta learning, sharpen your life, off the cuff, immensely help, pathless travel. These were all good usages. Toastmaster Srini, sell an idea, help us to get the mileage, sow a seed. Toastmaster DTM Sudeep, take a small step. And in the storytelling contest, Neeraj couldn't even speak a word. One of the reasons, movie buff, demophobia, that is fear of crowd. Sai Sridhar, one of the stories, penance, rigorous penance, prostrated, master the skills. Toastmaster Anand, foot swings and mood swings. Toastmaster Sharath, vim, crybaby, irony, emotional turbulence, deep inside me. One of my mentors, I still could not, I could concentrate. Broken inside. Sharath 2, bad health markers, quite trivial, heartbroken. Looking good does not mean that you feel good. Plant a seed, opens up a new experience. Toastmaster Gopinath, life rolls by. Toastmaster Shruti, hyperventilating, that was really a good usage. I heard for this for the first time. Break out of my shell, break my innocence, boosted my confidence. Toastmaster Aarti, my name will be anyone handwriting. Reverse the curse. Toastmaster Srini again. Hidden agenda, I had a lump. Creating a ruckus. Toastmaster DTM Satish, mind of a monkey, owes him, loves him, respects him. That is again an example for a triad. Wake up call, table topic section. Toastmaster Sai, you are the world. One of his videos, inner game, universe has given me an indication. Richa, education hub, irritatingly loving brother. Aarti, humor intercepted. Evaluator Anil, talk, field, implement strategy. Nuances, timer, Toastmaster Shankar, coherently. Some of the ineffective usages, someone mentioned, he have a lot of, he has, should be he has, as much of organization, as much of organizations. And some people use jargons which may be known to only a select people. It may not be understood by many of the audience. As a speaker, you should avoid using jargons. Neeraj used the word JTP. Some of the guests may not understand what is JTP. And one of the speakers mentioned, I joined Toastmaster. Probably it should be I joined Toastmasters. And as mentioned by our counter, a few speakers used the word basically before beginning a sentence as a filler word. Try to avoid the word basically. And again, another jargon I found was Omega. I was not sure whether Omega was a school or a coaching class or a tutorial session, so it was not clear. You should explicitly mention it. And again, there is a word, I am not very clear, but I would like to present here, terrible phone call. I don't know, terrible phone call is the right usage. One of the district officer should be used as one of the district officers. Crinkled, that was a good word, but I am not sure whether that was used appropriately in that place. And have all the guests received the link should be used as has all the guests so vice versa, sorry. Has all the guests received the links, it should be used as have all the guests. So a couple of other things. Many times I also do the same mistake. I try to use capital letter, unit capital, that is at the beginning of a letter I use in a sentence, which is unwarranted. I could see some of those unit capitals, unwanted unit capitals in the PowerPoint presentation. Avoids one-time cost. All of a sudden the C was in capital. So probably we need to look at it. That's all about my primary report. Thank you.
Thank you so much, distinguished Toastmaster Sundaraman. Guests in Medaki, we are a little obsessed with grammar, so we do this quite often, and this is usual for us. Thank you so much.